Presenting the 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include tow hitch, front tow hooks, an alarm system, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find adjustable lumbar seats, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, automatic climate control, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, parking sensors. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.